10 years ago, it was just barely possible to think this could be done.
So here we have a structured light 3D scanner, and we're using this to scan the president. They're handheld. They're flashing a fringe pattern of light, and there are stereo cameras recording how that fringe pattern forms over geometry, or in this case, the president's face.
The president getting his likeness scanned, as cool as that is also about a broader trend that's going on, and that is the third industrial revolution. It's the combination of the digital world and the physical world that is allowing students and entrepreneurs to be able to go from idea to prototype in the blink of an eye.
It's been a few days since we've 3D scanned the president, and we're looking at some raw data on screen right here. So this is the data that came out of the handheld scanners that Adam Metallo and I were using to scan the president.
This is the first bust that's created of a head of state from objective 3D scanned data. So this isn't an artistic likeness of the president. This is actually millions upon millions of measurements that create a 3D likeness of the president that we can now 3D print and make something that's never been done before.